PolyWorks Inspector 2025 offers new plugins for the Leica ATS-800 laser radar and API 9D Ladar devices. This enables the use of these devices as hybrid non-contact measurement tools that seamlessly combine single-point probing and surface scanning. These capabilities allow building assemblies or inspecting parts with real-time measurements displayed in a digital readout, measuring features using predefined measurement points, probing surface points alignments, and scanning freeform prismatic surfaces. Also, the new plugins use the programmable measurement execution capability of these devices to automate single and multi-piece inspections within the sequence editor. Download PolyWorks Inspector 2025 now and benefit from the most comprehensive inspection software solution for the new laser radar and Ladar measurement devices.